Did you know that almost all industry sectors hire quality assurance professionals to ensure that their products and services meet industry standards and customer requirements? And guess what? You do not need a background in tech or software engineering to thrive as a quality assurance professional. What if I told you that there is a whole world of quality professionals out there like me who aren't necessarily working in networking? And I'm here to show you how to be a part of it. But first, hi, my name is Moji, emoji without the E, if you were ever wondering how to pronounce it. If you're mating for the first time, welcome to QA Spotlight. I am a seasoned quality assurance professional with close to a decade of experience in the industry. Throughout my career as a quality professional, I've been through almost every stage in this career path, starting out as a quality technician to becoming a quality manager at a multifaceted global company. These experiences have given me the exposure to various industries within the manufacturing sector, including the food industry, ingredients and chemical industry, the packaging industry, and my next adventure is to go into the automobile industry. I'm going to be bringing you on this journey as I go on my next adventure. My career has also taken me around the world, having worked in Africa, North America, and Europe, and I am still on my journey of career growth. However, I believe I am now at the point where I can share my knowledge and experiences that I have gained over the years. If you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to be giving you an important motivation to pursue a career in quality assurance. When most people hear quality assurance, they think of IT, networking, software engineering, and you're not alone. When I started as a quality assurance professional proper, like when I first started, I didn't even really know there was a whole world of quality assurance career or something. So when I delved fully into it and I started researching on the internet on tips and tricks to help me, grow, to help me learn more about the profession I was in. And whenever I search on the internet, all I see is software testing, QA analyst, and all. But quality assurance goes way beyond that. Nearly every industry, as I said earlier, especially in manufacturing, have a quality department or equivalent. And the purpose of this department is to ensure that their products and services, whichever the case may be, are meeting the industry standards and also their customer requirements and specifications. Now, as you can tell, almost every industry out there is either selling products or services and will have customer specifications and customer requirements. So if you have customer requirements and specifications, let's even assume there are no industry standards for that industry. There will always be someone hired to ensure that your customer specifications and requirements are met. And guess what? That's the quality department most of the time. There are some textbook information out there on quality assurance and quality management, no doubt about that. However, on this channel, QA Spotlight, I'll be bringing you practical information on navigating a successful career in quality assurance and quality management, whether you're just starting out or you're looking to advance. And these tips will be based on my own experiences and industry best practices. Many quality professionals like me come from diverse backgrounds. I, for one, have a background in life sciences. And the skills you acquire as a quality assurance professional are transferable across multiple industries. And because almost all industry sector has a quality assurance department or equivalent, you have limitless opportunities for career growth, especially if you know how to harness your skills properly. An additional value you'll be getting on this channel is that I'm going to be bringing you my own practical tips on how I was able to succeed in Canada as a quality professional, being an immigrant. So if you're from Africa or from any third world country, I believe this would be useful for you. So at this point, I'm sure you're already wondering, so what are the industries that actually hire quality professionals? Don't worry, in my next video, which I'm going to be linking in the description box below, I will be bringing you various industries that hire quality assurance professionals, and I'm going to be giving you a dive into what these industries expect from quality professionals, what they are looking for, and you may discover opportunities you've never considered before. And now onto that tip I said I'm going to be giving you at the end. If you watch till the end, it's not the end of the video, but I'm bringing it right here. One big motivation for you to go into a quality assurance career or quality management career is job stability. And in the course of my videos, I'm going to be telling you more about how it's a very stable job. Like, I've never really been out of job since I started as a QA tech. There has never been a day I'm out of job, except I intentionally say, okay, I'm not working for some time, and then getting back into it has always been easy. So there is a lot of job stability when it comes to a career in quality assurance or quality management. Now, here are some topics you can expect to find on QA Spotlight. Clear, relatable tutorials on essential topics like quality management systems, auditing, and regulatory compliance. I would also be giving career advice to newcomers and aspiring quality professionals. And then I'll be bringing real world strategies to help you grow, whether you're just starting out or you're just willing to take your QA expertise to the next level. If you've stayed up to this point, I believe you'll be a valuable member of this community. Hit the subscribe button below and let's get to know each other. Tell me about yourself in the comment section below. I would like to know what your current profession is and your interest in quality assurance and quality management, topics you'd like to see on this channel, and where you're watching from. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like this video. See you in the next video.